Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Bitcoin Cash is as of now at the #20 position in the cryptographic money market. It had an ATH of $4,355.62 on Deck 2017, while the ongoing cost is just $230.74, somewhere around 94.56% from its ATH. Has the BCH token lost its appeal? Will BCH crypto recuperate from now on? Figure out replies to every one of these and other pertinent questions in our Bitcoin Cash value forecast and substantially more. In light of our Bitcoin Cash cost expectation 2024, the BCH token is expected to reach $391.83 before the current year's over. The BCH crypto is supposed to have least and greatest costs of around $384.2 and $586.58 individually, according to our Bitcoin Cash cost expectation 2025. According to our BCH cost expectation 2030, the coin will have a greatest cost of $1,841.75, while the base cost might be around $1,205.75. What is Bitcoin Cash? Bitcoin Cash's introduction to the world was represented by BCH in mid-2017 by a gathering of engineers. They understood that the colossal capability of Bitcoin could be additionally bridled ideally through a hard fork, in this manner expanding the block size limit. So on August 01, 2017, the BCH started its life. The essential target of Bitcoin Cash BCH was to resolve the issues concerning rising exchange expenses and contentions encompassing adaptability in the blockchain. Keeping in context distributed exchanges as the centralized computer and security as the urgent purposes, this BCH was ready to work with the expansion in block size from 1 MB to 8 MB, subsequently accomplishing a dramatically rapid of exchange process. Bitcoin Cash depends on cryptographic techniques that depend on zero exposure proof and the numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any verifiable information or message on the other party associated with the exchange. Thus, security impediments are captured first. A notable trait of this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of additional exchanges on the organization. The value history of Bitcoin Cash, thinking back, has not been offering to too much. It has stayed unstable and unequivocally connected with the general market situation. On December 20, 2017, soon after its creation, Bitcoin Cash had a worth of more than $4,000. It looks astounding that the coin began losing cash quickly and saw today cost drop from that astonishing level radically. Since mid-2018, the BCH cost confronted progressive remedy, and toward the finish of 2018, it fell beneath $100. Then, till 2020, Bitcoin had figured out how to enroll range-bound exchanging from $167 to $480. From that point forward, from the start of 2021, the cost of the BCH coin has soared and reached $549. Afterward, it confronted a sharp fall and retested $100 once more. Since last year, Bitcoin Cash has figured out how to remain over the $96 mark, with a solid opposition of around $300 to date. In any case, the ongoing cost activity mirrors the likelihood that the BCH coin cost could recuperate soon. Bitcoin Cash splitting 2024. The block splitting occasions that happen like clockwork, or 210,000 blocks, are presently set to occur in the primary quarter of 2024 for Bitcoin Cash. The ongoing compensation for a block is 625 BCH, while the following block price will boil down to 125 BCH. Merchants and financial backers have their eyes on the impending BCH splitting since it could essentially influence the cost of BCH. The first splitting was not productive in that frame of mind while of Bitcoin Cash cost, as it had fallen definitely not long after the dividing. Notwithstanding, market feelings and current cost activity appear to be bullish for BCH crypto. To outfit the ideal potential, specialists overall and die-hard financial backers have prompted adhering to this money chiefly for the reasons of future cost acceleration assumptions. Truth be told, it has consistently acquired and reliably performed, as said previously. As per anticipated Bitcoin Cash cost examination, BCH cost could drift least cost around $172 toward 2024 in the couple of the following months end. As per Bitcoin Cash BCH cost expectation, it is by all accounts showing a vertical pattern. The bulls will push the cost up like other crypto Goliaths as well. It's uplifting news for its financial backers. According to BCH cost expectation, it can generally really depend on $499.80 as greatest cost by 2024. As indicated by the Bitcoin Cash cost forecasts, bulls might be back. The money ought to wind up around $319 toward the finish of 2024. Bitcoin Cash is anticipated to begin 2024 at $148.52 and finish the year at $262,608 as indicated by our BCH forecasts. During the whole year, the normal determined BCH cost might be $187,907. Bitcoin Cash's cost today is exchanging around $230.18 with a circling supply of 19.5 and 23,969 BCH while composing. The market capitalization shows a strong $493,878,991. Despite the fact that the digital currency has endured a few unsettled maneuvers, it makes certain to get back in the saddle, as deduced by specialists. Bitcoin Cash needed to put forth an enormous attempt to fork out of its starting point and contend long and hard with its opponent cryptographic forms of money. It isn't well before it would beat. The vast majority of the contenders of BCH as well didn't hypnotize the brokers by the same token. Notwithstanding, the consistency that the Bitcoin Cash cost has attempted to show is in itself a remarkable element to discuss. Its contribution in different audacious undertakings has guaranteed that its cost keeps up the force. BCH Value Expectation 2024. For the year 2024, the normal most extreme worth is $391.83, with a base worth of $207.16 in view of our BCH cost expectation. In correlation, the typical exchanging cost is supposed to be $299.49 for Bitcoin Cash tokens. Your ongoing venture might ascend by over 100%. The headways in the blockchain may prompt this critical ascent in BCH cost. Bitcoin Cash Value Forecast 2025. As per our BCH crypto cost forecast, the coin will see an ascent of around 40% in the whole year. It will exchange from the likely low of $384.2 to the greatest degree of $586.58. During the whole year, the coin will have a typical exchanging cost of $485. BCH Coin Value Expectation 2026. In light of our own examination and Bitcoin Cash cost conjecture, the most extreme BCH cost for the year 2026 is $749.21. Simultaneously, our BCH expectations estimate that the token might have a base cost of around $490.49 and a typical cost of $619.85. Bitcoin Cash Estimate 2027. As per Bitcoin Cash expectations, the token is supposed to have least and most extreme cost of around $626.08 and $956.32 individually. Simultaneously, the typical Bitcoin Cash cost of the crypto might be around $791 all year long. BCH Value Expectation 2028. Our BCH cost figure for the year 2028 recommends that the coin's typical cost might be $106, while the base and greatest costs might be around $796.25 and $216.85 individually. Simultaneously, our specialized examination uncovers that the rate change might be half. Bitcoin Cash Expectations 2029. Taking a gander at the BCH expectations, the coin will exchange a scope of $955.50 to $1,459.50, where the previous is the most minimal cost for the year and